Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Online Learning. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you Y sounds. Y sounds. Y has three sounds. Y sounds like ya and Y sounds like I and Y sounds like E. Let us see when does Y makes these kind of sounds. There is a simple rule. Actually, Y is a consonant. Y is a consonant. Okay. Now let us see some examples with Y. Kra, I. Here this is kra. Here Y is making I sound. Example. Happy. Here Y is making E sound. Next, yellow. Here Y is making ya sound. Okay. There is a simple rule. We'll look at that rule now. Y makes ya sound. When does Y makes ya sound? When Y comes at the beginning of the word, or when it comes in the middle of the word, it makes ya sound. For example, yes, ya, s, yes. Yellow. Here Y is at the starting and it is making ya sound. Layer. Layer. Here Y is making ya sound. Now let us see when Y sounds like I. Okay. So when does Y sounds like I? In short sound, in short words, it sounds like I. Single syllable words, single syllable words, it sounds like I. For example, kra, C-R-Y, this is one syllable word. Cry, here Y is making I sound. Kra, I, cry. Fra, I, fry. Ubha, I, Y. These are single sounds. It might be a consonant blank or consonant digraph. Y, my. These are some examples of I sounds. Y sounds like I. Now let us see some examples where Y sounds like E. Y as E. When does Y sounds like E? It should be a longer word or with multiple syllables. Multiple syllables. So for example, daily. Daily. It is a double syllable. Syllable 1, daily. Daily. Here, A-I makes A sound. This A-I makes A sound. This video is linked in the description. You can watch that. Here, daily. Daily. Here, Y is making E sound. Y is making E sound. Daily. Next example, baby. Baby. Here Y is making E sound. Next, happy. Here also happy. Y is making E sound. So these are some examples. So remember one thing, whenever you see Y at the beginning and middle of the letters, it makes Ya sound. Whenever you see Y in a single syllable and short sound word, it makes I sound. Whenever we see Y in long word with multiple syllable, it makes E sound. Hope you all understood. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Online Learning. Thank you.